Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this color correction mode setting. You can see guys, my skin color is different guys. If you have guys same situation, so don't worry guys. In this video guys, I will show you how to avoid this color correction mode setting in oppo K10 phone. So let's see how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it and guys come on system setting. This system setting guys, you can see guys, every color is different guys, has changed. System setting, accessibility, come on guys version, and guys click on this color correction. So it's happened by this color. You can see red color, orange, yellow, green, carrion, blue, purple. So when I will off from here, so as you can see color is fine. So as now you can see your phone, everything is fine in with normal color. So I hope friends, we have understood how to off color correction and guys how to solve color setting in oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye.